What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another Sneaker Huddle unboxing. Now, based on the thumbnail, you already know what's inside this box, and it's the anticipated, I won't say highly, but it is the anticipated Air Jordan 1 Mid Band, or you could say the Air Jordan 1 Mid Bred, depending on which category you fall in. The Bred, the Band, they're an iconic colorway, and they have finally touched down on the Air Jordan 1 Mid. Now, this isn't the first time that we have seen this colorway on the Air Jordan 1 Mid, but in 2020, we finally get to see it again. And pertaining to the box, this is your standard Jordan brand box, nothing special, just, your gold Jumpman black box. Now, more specifically, we're gonna concentrate on the sneakers in today's video, which I'm sure you guys are probably very familiar with the Air Jordan 1 Mid. You've probably seen them in Foot Lockers, Foot Action Champs, local stores. You've probably had a few by chance, or maybe perhaps you've had the low tops. And one thing that makes this pair so different from the other pairs is the quality of leather. Now, don't get me wrong, the quality of the leather is not super fantastic, but in terms of a Air Jordan 1 Mid, the quality of the synthetic leather used on the sneaker is superior from what we are typically used to seeing on some of the other colorways. And rightfully so. They should not bring back the Air Jordan 1 Bred Band colorway and then give us a crappy quality. This right here is far superior quality from what we have seen in the past. And we will put a couple close-up details where you can see kind of the wrinkled material, and from the touch, guys, it's a little softer than what you do receive on some of the other Air Jordan 1 Mids. The one thing that I personally dislike about the Air Jordan 1 Mid is not the fact that it's a mid, not that it has the Jumpman on the tongue, the fact that it's a little lower than your original Retro High OG, is the fact that the material is just so stiff. But with this Bred, this Band colorway, they absolutely got this one right. These are going to be much more comfortable on foot, and wear and tear around the toe box here as it does crease, on your toes. It's going to be a little softer on your toes than some of the other mids that we have received in the past. So that's one thing that was interesting, and rightfully so. It should have been better quality on this colorway because this colorway is absolutely iconic. And if you're unfamiliar, the Air Jordan 1 Band, aka Bred, is a black and red version of Michael Jordan's first signature sneaker. It was designed by Peter Moore in 1985 and banned from the NBA from breaking uniform regulations. Every time the shoe was worn, Jordan was fined $5,000 per game. And there are quite a few backstories behind that. The only time that Michael was actually ever seen wearing the Band colorway was in the dunk contest, which I will put a photo up here. But guys, these are definitely a must cop in my opinion. Definitely for the $115 price point. You absolutely cannot go wrong with this colorway. The quality is a little more superior than what you have received on other mids. And that personally to me is the difference maker to why I believe this is going to be a good pickup. And this sneaker, it just looks so good on foot with this original color blocking. You can wear this with khaki, you can wear this with joggers, you can wear this with blue denim jeans and a light wash, a dark wash. It absolutely goes with anything and it looks absolutely amazing. It's a classic colorway, one of the best, or actually the best Jordan 1 colorway of all time. And super excited to have this pair. Now, when it comes to whether this sneaker is going to increase in the future or not for you that, perhaps maybe weren't able to get your size, I definitely believe once the worldwide drop happens and all the pairs are gone, this pair will slowly increase over time. So they will be a very good hold for you guys that are curious. I know that a few of you were going to ask that and you have already asked that. So I wanted to touch on that. But guys, these are definitely a good pickup. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at Sneaker Huddle. Perhaps there will be another shock drop on Nike or the foot sites very soon, and we will get that to you guys as quick as possible. So I hope you enjoyed today's Sneaker Huddle unboxing. We have more unboxings on the channel. Be sure to check those out if you enjoyed this video, and we're always making new types of videos here at Sneaker Huddle, so be sure to subscribe and turn post notifications on. God bless each and every one of you and have a great day.